In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Replit project. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or no longer need a particular project, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to manage your Replit projects with ease. First, let's navigate to the Replit homepage. Open your web browser and in the address bar, type replit.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your usual credentials. This is where all your coding magic happens, and it's our starting point today. Once you've settled into the homepage, the first thing you want to do is look for the section labeled Apps. This is your hub for all your projects, tucked neatly on the left-hand side of your screen. What you're looking for is an option that says Apps. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, you should see all of your projects displayed here. It's your personal library of creations. Now that you're in the Apps section, let's move on to find the project you'd like to say goodbye to. Next to each project, you'll notice a trio of tiny dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Hover over the project you no longer need and click on those three dots. Think of it as peeking into a hidden drawer of options. After you click those dots, a small menu will drop down, revealing several options including Delete. Before you proceed with the deletion, ensure this is the project you intend to remove, as this action cannot be undone. Ready to move forward? Click on Delete. Once you choose to delete, a prompt might pop up asking for confirmation. This step is there to ensure that you're certain about removing the project. Double check your decision, and if you're positive, go ahead and confirm. With one final click, the project will be erased from your repository, making space for new and exciting projects to come. Congratulations! You've just successfully deleted a project on Replit. It's a simple process, but one that helps maintain order in your digital workspace. Remember, staying organized is key to maximizing productivity and ensuring that you can find what you need when you need it. If you have other projects you want to delete, just repeat these steps. It's always beneficial to keep things tidy, getting rid of what's no longer needed to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for following along today. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Until next time, keep coding and stay creative.